Hi everyone and welcome. So in this video we're going to be talking about if you have any of the problem installing plugins on your Atsnx free web hosting service, then all you got to do is to just click on the plugin. Now what you have to do is to just click WordPress org plugin page and it's going to take you there. Now what you have to do is to just hit download and it's going to download the plugin right over on your machine. So once you have your plugin downloaded, all you have to do is to now go to the cPanel of the website. That is basically the Vista panel or the cPanel. You can go to cPanel.atsnx.com and you can type in your username and password. And now you have to click the online file manager because the plugin that we have downloaded, we will be uploading that manually and then we will activate that. Now you have to click the htdocs. Once you are in it, all you have to do is to now go to wp-content. There you will see the plugins. You have to click on it and here you can now upload the plugin that you have downloaded. So what you can do is that you can look for here, upload, you can click on it and then you have to click upload zip. You have to basically click on it and you can see we have got right here. Now you have to find the plugin that you have downloaded. You can hit open and you have to basically click upload and unzip because we have to unzip the plugin as well. Once the plugin is basically uploaded, it's going to extract the plugin right onto your server so that then you can go and you can activate the plugin on your WordPress website. Once the plugin gets extracted, all you have to do is to click on it and you can see that now you have got all your plugin details right here. Now once your plugin is uploaded, all you have to do is to click on the add plugins window again. And now you have to click on install plugins and you will find the plugin that you have just copied and extracted there. All you have to do is to now activate this plugin. And here we go. Now our plugin is basically set up. So now you can click not right now and you will be taken back and the WooCommerce is installed. Congratulations on installing your WordPress plugin and happy WordPressing.